Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix KMODE exception not handled error with kernel power error 41. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click and expand amdppm. Open start. Change value data to 4, click OK. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F4 key to enable safe mode. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. If any service like Elan services, uncheck Elan service. Click Apply, click OK, click Restart Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.